Want to adopt your husband's surname with pride, but paperwork got you down? Fear not. This video reveals the easy legal secret to changing your surname after the marriage. Remember, changing your surname is a personal choice and there is no right or wrong answer. Do what feels right for you and embrace this exciting new chapter in your life. Save time and stress. In today's video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of changing your surname after marriage from the comfort of your own home. So let us get started. Namaste, I am Srinivas Sharma, a name change expert. I have 15 years of experience and helped more than 10,000 clients from across India. They successfully changed or corrected their names or surnames. My commitment for excellent service has earned me a 5-star Google rating. You can watch my videos in Hindi and Telugu languages also. The link is given in the description below. Before we dive into the topic now, please take a break and subscribe my channel. Let us start with understanding the different requirements across departments. Depending on the department you are dealing with, the process might differ. For some, simply filing an application form and submitting your marriage certificate will suffice. However, many departments require an additional step: getting your name or surname change published in the weekly Gazette of the Government of India. Why the Government Gazette is required? This is an official publication, serves as a legal document confirming your new surname. Having your surname change published in the Gazette offers several benefits. The first benefit is universal recognition. The Gazette is valid across all government departments, both state government as well as the central government, even the public sector undertakings and enterprises. Second is international acceptance. It is also recognized abroad, facilitating visa and residency applications in other countries. Third benefit is simplified document updates. Once your surname change is published in Central Gazette, you can easily update your surname on all your documents. For example, your passport, and then your PAN card, and then your voter ID card, and your bank account, okay, and then your Aadhaar card you can change, your post office bank account, your gas connection, everywhere. So how do you get your surname change published in the Gazette? Step 1. Draft an affidavit. This legal document declares your intention to change your surname and provides relevant details like your old name and surname, new name and new surname, then your date of marriage and your spouse's name and the present address. You can draft this yourself or seek legal assistance. Step number 2. Get the affidavit notarized. Visit a notary public and get your affidavit signed and stamped. This validates the authenticity of the document. Now the third step is apply for Gazette publication. Approach the Controller of Publication Office, which is in civil lines, New Delhi, under the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. You will need to submit the affidavit, give an advertisement in a local newspaper, and then fill in the application form, pay the government fees online, and submit your application along with the ID and address proof of the applicant, that is yourself, and all these documents to be submitted to the department. You can submit your application either personally going there or by sending post. It is not mandatory to visit personally to submit your application. You can send it by post or courier also. Now the step number 4 is wait for the publication. After processing your application, the Gazette will publish your name with new surname, and that is called the name change notice. It is published in the part 4 of the Gazette. The exact time frame might vary, but generally it takes 3 to 4 weeks time. Now the step number 5 is update your documents. Okay, once your surname change is published, you can approach the relevant government authorities, whether state or central, to update your surname on your documents. This typically involves submitting an application form along with the copy of the Gazette publication notice and other supporting documents. Additional tips on Gazette publication: what you have to do is, remember, number 1, keep copies of all your documents for your future references. Number 2, be patient as the entire process might take some time. Then point number 3, consider seeking legal assistance if you are not sure about the aspect. So the conclusion of this video is, changing your surname after marriage can be a straightforward process with the right information and guidance. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily navigate the paperwork efficiently and officially embrace your new surname. Now remember, the Gazette publication is not mandatory for updating your surname in all departments, but it offers several benefits and ensures smooth document updates. So take a deep breath, grab your marriage certificate or some proof where your husband's name is written, and let us get started on updating your surname. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to changing your surname after marriage. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions about this video, please write in the comments section below. And interested to take our professional service for surname change publication in the weekly Gazette, then please contact me. My contact details are shown on the screen and also written in the description below. Have a nice day. Namaste and bye bye.